Hey, good late Saturday evening, everyone. Meteorologist Mike Sills with you here from Zero Meter Chasers. This is the first web video that I have done, so just give me some grace. I'm testing the waters that you want to say, but if you have any questions, comments, or concerns of how this presents, please let me know. Feel free in the comments, and let's get to it. All right, so right now the temperature is late at night are into the low to mid 70s. A very warm night as well for some, well into western parts of Kentucky. As you can see, into the mid 70s over there as well, 74 in Bowling Green, and also mid 70s in Louisville. A little bit cooler off to the east in eastern Kentucky into the upper 60s. Nice day, lots of sunshine, a few clouds as well, but moisture will be on the increase. You can see we're well humid into the middle 60s for our dew points, even some lower 70s into western Kentucky. And that will be the culprit for seeing better storm chances as we get into your Sunday afternoon because we have a little bit of energy working itself into the mid levels as we get into, let's see, okay, bear with me here. Okay, here we go. As we get into your Sunday afternoon, some energy. Well, wrong one. I'm trying to get the drawing tool here, and I don't know where it is. There we go. This little energy right here into Missouri will be kind of rotating itself from Arkansas, kind of pivot to the north and the east. So we'll keep an eye on that, but it looks like better rain chances overall. Will stay well off to the west. Um, as you take a look with the vorticity or the amount of spin that there is in the atmosphere. I'm trying to take off this color thing. Here we go. If you put it into motion, a lot of spin, a lot of updraft, and thunderstorm development. We're rolling in from the southwest. A lot of impulses of energy, a lot of ripples into the flow. We call those short waves or just kind of kinks or impulses of energy wrapping itself. But by Monday, more energy kind of will be wrapping itself around. I think there'll be a better rain chance and a few embedded storms for south central and central Kentucky. The reason why I say that is that the short wave of the mid-level flow will be really increasing. It looks like some short waves right in here with the kinks and about a good about mid 40s for the amount of knots. So not too bad with the wind energy with that. As you look at the low level energy, well, that's the wrong one. If you look at the low level energy, even some good flow coming out, maybe some damaging wind threat possible. See the early evening hours as this pivots around. We will stay very warm and very dry after that. The precipitation, look at this. This is how much precipitable water there's in the atmosphere, meaning how much water there is, it can wring out. And if we're looking at about 2 inches right here with the key, it's about 2 inches that can wring itself out from the clouds into the ground. And so localized flooding is possible with these slow moving thunderstorms that can hold off. And it's going to be very muggy. We've got dew points well into the 70s for a good chunk of the day. So it will be sweltering, it'll be warm and humid. But as we take a look, as we roll into the long range model, let's go with the GFS and roll in to see, if you pan out, really not a whole lot as you go in because a lot of the moisture will be coming in from the plains spreading over. So we'll be in a nice little dry, warm slot all across the lower Ohio Valley for a good chunk. Not seeing many storm chances as we get into at least by maybe late next week. So lots of rainfall for tomorrow. Actually, let's look at tomorrow real fast. Let's go look at some high-res data one more time. Because, well, that's the wrong one. As you can see, the best chance of rain. That's by Sunday night into the Boot Hill, Western Kentucky, around Cape Girardeau, Sikeston, Hickman, Fulton, Carlisle, Paducah, but then the better rain chance will be coming well into your Monday morning. A slug of moisture coming in Monday morning, and then a good chance of Monday afternoon. We get some breaks, maybe some damaging wind gusts embedded, maybe along the lines. So we'll keep an eye out for any damaging wind gusts with that. So strong storms, nothing as severe. Lots of rainfall, lightning, and even maybe some small hail with it as well. So that's all I got tonight. As for the rest of tonight, y'all have a good evening. We'll see you. Bye-bye.